Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. I'm at Woodlesford Lock, gonna have a paddle. You might have seen the packraft test I did on this from this lock. Well, I'm meeting up with, oh hang on, Mr 80 Quid's here, and he's got a new boat. How much was that, Dave?
Shut your face.
Was it 80 quid?
Oh, about 50 quid this one.
50 quid, wow, that was a proper bargain that one, wasn't it?
You're not going to get me into some right trouble here.
Look at that, he's got his own Brent. And I'm in the Brent as well. I better get it set up, hadn't I? Woohoo! Right, let the chaos ensue. We're going to have the wind against us on the way out by the look of it. Got to be done, hasn't it? You coming? Come on then. Right, let's go.
Come on, man.
We're going to have the wind against us on the way out. A bit blustery. About 16 miles an hour, according to my watch. Oh, that reminds me. I must set my watches. I'm testing 2 watches. And the reason I like this is, it means I do double the steps in a day. Right, so we're off. The things I'm trying out today are, I've got a new paddle leash. Comes as a pack of 2. And I thought, well, I'll give that a go. I'm trying out an experiment to see which of my watches records the distance better, because I'm trying out this Garmin versus the Huawei. The Huawei will only record GPS on walks and cycle routes and not kayaking routes, which is one of the reasons why I've gone for the Garmin. So we'll try those out. Got a couple of dry bags to try out, and I've got this new, very sexy life vest, which matches my wetsuit. Nice. So we're at Woodlesford Lock, or we've launched from Woodlesford Lock, and this is the top aspect of the lock. Last time I launched from the bottom aspect. Now the only snag with this is, a bit further down the waterway, there is another lock, and I'm not quite sure how far, but we're not planning on a big paddle today. Mr 80 Quid's trying out a new 80 quid boat. Basically, we just wanted to get on the water for an hour or 2.
I need to let off steam today.
Yeah, yeah.
Ruffalo. Keep ruffalo.
Quite a nice looking boat, that one that Dave's in. The Hybris 410. So it's got 2 pontoons and a drop stitch floor. Because if you remember the last time he was out with me,
remember this at all.
this happened.
No.
Oh, he's in. Anyway, he's decided he wants something a little bit more stable, because he has got the big 80 quid boat, which is a 2-manner for canoeing. Yeah, he's just done a long distance wild camping that down the River Severn. Not in the one he's got today, but in the X500 canoe.
Yeah,
Tourer canoe. Getting a little bit of chop slap. This is going to be very pleasant on the way back, because we're full on into the wind right now.
And the currents as well.
Yeah. Right, so we've got a lock coming up. I can't quite remember the name of it. I'll put it on the screen now. So it's not far from Woodlesford, this one. There's a lovely little collection of birch trees on the left hand side there, silver birches. Ow. So it's quite high, this, quite high, but we should be alright. I'm going to pull it in tight. just to be on the safe side. We're going to get out and have a look, see what it's like whether it's worth portaging. Yeah, a bit of a drop. Ah, he's dragged his boat out. That's it, Fish Pond Lock. Bit of a walk to carry the boat, so we'll probably not do it today. But at least it's an easy drop in at the other side by the look of it. Oh, it's higher than it looks. Oh, and there's a wide beam coming through. It's going to need some more at the other side. So we're going to need to. Definitely going to need to shift my boat. But then again, oh look, the lock's already full. Shall I head back? Yeah.
Yeah, let's have a play at what we're doing.
Yeah, we're going to head back. I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to chuck these dry bags in the water. That lock's just been emptied. All the water in it is flowing out, so that this wide beam can come down. It'll probably end up passing us.
The water level's gone up.
It has, yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Are we going? Are we riding the wave?
We're riding the wave. It is going to be nice with the wind behind us though, and a bit of a bow wave from that water that's flooding in. We should make good speed on the way back. Although, I am dragging.
I just thought you always wear makeup.
Dragging dry bags. I don't know whether dragging these dry bags is going to be a good idea.
Should have brought a sail.
Yeah, should have brought my brolly. This would have been a good one to test the brolly out on, the brolly test. Look at the wind in those trees. Yeah, this wind is certainly moving us along, isn't it?
I mean, between that and the current, because you can actually see the water flow.
I think he's got the right idea. Actually, I was thinking more like, you know, that could be a funeral pyre. Send you out to sea like a Viking.
I think you shoot arrows though, mate. That boat coming down.
It is nice with that wind behind us, and I have to say it's the first time this has actually worked out for us for a while, hasn't it? Because often we've gone out with the wind against us and thought, oh, it'd be great when the wind's behind us on the way back, and it's whipped round.
Still in his face, weren't it?
Yeah. Got some ducks on the water up ahead, Mark. I like that sign. Slow down, children, animals running free. Slow down, children, animals running free.
Yeah, what about that barge, mate?
Carpe diem, yeah. Seize the fish. Hey, one.
Yeah, you're right now.
Nice little garden with a Gruffalo in. Now, I do like the name of that boat. Fishing Impossible. I like a bit of wordplay. He's just called me the James May of the kayaking world. And I'm really not quite sure what to make of that. Ducks.
Look at the ducks now, look.
Way up. We've got river traffic. Big wide beam coming up. That's a nice craft. If you're enjoying what I'm doing, by the way, and you like this video, hit like on the video, would you? Because it just helps with the YouTube algorithms. But if you like what I'm doing as well, if you hit subscribe, then and smash that bell notification, then you just get a notification when I upload new stuff. So, just a thought, if you like what I'm doing. It's still there!
He's going backwards.
Well, that was a bit of fun. Did a couple of little tests. Now back at the car. The straight to Quid's getting everything sorted. He's going out to the archery nationals. Just in case they're getting packed away now and dried. Yeah, I've been in again. That's it, all shoved in the car. Thanks so much for watching. You take care. Cheerio.